Hi, welcome to our Sherlock Holmes series. Today we will show you how to spy on your competitors through Google PPC, SEM, or whatever name you call it. Now, setting up search campaigns on Google can be a very lengthy process. By spying on your competitors, you'll be able to know the paid keywords they are targeting, the ones they are ranking for, as well as their CPC, that is their cost per click, their CTR, click-through rate, and even the number of clicks they are getting for the paid keywords. You'll also be able to know the keyword gaps and opportunities using a very cool tool we call SpyFu. Let's get into it. Let's say you're running Google search campaigns for a real estate marketplace. Fire up spyfu.com and type in your brand name on the search bar. For this example, let's use buyrentkenya.com. You'll click around, explore your own ad history, and even see the keywords competition is targeting and ranking for. If you're using the free version, you won't get a lot of info or data, but you can play on the dashboard to get an idea of who and what your competitors are ranking for. Here is the catch to being a digital spy on Google Ads and SpyFu.com. You either have to operate from a laptop or a desktop. Unfortunately, some of these features are not available to mobile app users yet. Keep watching our other videos on how to become an FBI, a fun business inspector. Happy spying, everyone!